Within this latest release, we have added a new collection and delivery area to our EliteDealers unit page. When you are on the unit, you are able to navigate to collection and delivery, and with automation, this can populate automatically if you manage your own transportation company, or you can select new collection and delivery, the manufacturer that it's being collected from, allow you to select the transporter, track their registration details, and also the driver's name. You've got the ability to select whether escort is required or is STGO. And then you have the information that can be done when the unit is being collected by the transporter. You have information where you can select who the unit is to be collected from, the dispatcher, their contact name, the collection date and time. You can put in your standing time, and also whether the collection inspection is complete, and there is the ability for the transporter to get the dispatcher to sign directly either on an iPad, a phone, or a laptop device. Once this is done, that record then is complete, and that will then also allow you to do the delivery note. Once that's delivered to either a showground, a dealership, or park, you can then fill in the correct information where the account and the park that the unit is then going to, and in the same way you can add in your delivery contact, their contact name, delivered date and time, and then also sign for delivery. This is a great enhancement that allows you, if you manage your own transport company, to track all of your collection and deliveries to and from the manufacturer to park or dealership, with all the records saved directly against the stock record. Thank you.